Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into mobile tech Rex app review in order to check if this app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The mobile tech Rex app is tailored for automotive reconditioning business, letting technicians generate detailed digital estimate, invoice customers, and integrate with QuickBooks and manage workflow from a tablet or phone. User upload its industry-specific template, mobile VIN scanner, and professional diagnosis tools that help boost revenue and efficiencies. However, the app comes with several caveats. Reviewers frequently mention crashes during invoice creation, slow update on Mac versions, and a pricing structure that users feels has increased without matching features growth. In my opinion, if you run or work in an auto reconditioning shop and you need a specialized mobile estimate invoice tools, Mobile Tech RX is worth using. But for smaller operation or general repair shop, the cost and the occasional reliability issues means you might want to explore simpler alternative first. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.